Well, we have our work cut out for us today. All right, let's get one of these keys and go. Let's see. Nice. Audi A4 Technic. Audi. Audi A4. How do you say Audi? Audi or Audi? Last vehicle of the day is, well, we got the TRX today, so that'll be an exciting one. Honestly, it's my favorite vehicle. Well, top 10. Top 10. So I was looking this particular one up, and this one has over $26,000 in factory options. And you can just tell from the seats, the lining, everything in here is like, this is the top line version of the TRX. This is awesome. So the TRX is going extinct. Stellantis has announced that they are removing the lineup of all their V8s. I am interested in seeing the RHO. That seems pretty cool. An inline 6 dual turbo. You know what? Let's hear how this sounds. This is definitely in my top 10 best sounding cars, for sure. Oh, the hood's huge. I could just raise my seat a bit, I guess, so I get better vantage point. Okay, let's see. Will this even... Nice. I do have to say, I think this is one of the best looking interiors for vehicles out there right now. And they've really stepped up their game when they introduced the new truck lineup. They moved from the classic into the new body style, and the new one is really good. It's got the Harman Kardon audio as well. You got your 12.5-inch screen and just all the buttons and paddle shifts that just make it entertaining. Like most of these things you won't use, but having the option for it, like launch control, just amazing. Who puts launch control in a truck? I mean, Ram does, obviously, because that's the big thing about Dodge was they really embodied the go big or go home. And some of my favorite commercials too were the hey, is that thing got a Hemi? And just the most hilarious commercials out there from back in the day. Man, yeah, this has got so much. Look. You got your 4 auto, axle lock, 4 high, 4 low, launch control, hill descent, traction control. You got your trailer steering, trailer brake. Got all your connectivity down here as well. Wireless charging for your phone. Nice auxiliary options as well. Auxiliary buttons for extra lights and stuff, or whatever you want to put in. Super cool. Hidden cup holder. Nice. This plus. Oh yeah, this. I've always liked the size of the storage bin and the center console. Like, it's 2-staged, which is fantastic. I like that quite a lot. Things I like the most is the suspension on these ones, because he's got the Ram Active Bilsteins. They're, when we've had it on grass and gravel when we're doing that little spec ad from a couple years ago, this drove and ate up all the bumps so well. Like we could go stupid fast and it still felt planted and solid, which is quite a difference from my RAM. If I'm going quick off-road, bouncing all over the place. So maybe I'll look into these ones or just get a different truck altogether. It's definitely a vehicle I'd really like to see how it would do on our trails here. I think it would do really well. It's a bit wide, so I'd get a lot of scratches on it if I did take it out. So I'd have to make sure that if I was borrowing it, that would take trails without any trees overlapping it. All right, so I gotta take some photos of it, so let me do that and I'll come back and talk to you guys. Hopping into the back seat, there is a substantial amount of legroom in here. Like I can fully stretch out, and this is pretty good. So you can take all your buddies in the back, and they're not going to be upset about being crammed in the back of a truck, because there is quite a bit of room, and these seats also recline. Yeah, got heated and cooled seats. The one downside to having all this space in the back seat is that you get less space in the bed. It's a shorter bed just to make up for the extra comfort on the inside. Yeah. This TRX, as of filming, is available at Audi Winnipeg. If you want to know more, check them out and let them know Trevor from Unreal sent you. Talk soon. Honestly, buy this car for me. Let's work out a sponsorship deal. Because like, man, this thing off-road, the content we could make would be hella awesome. Might be able to keep up with some of the other vehicles that we're going to be taking out later this summer. So that's going to be super awesome as well. I just got to fit this into a tight little spot here and we're good to go. With that, I'm out. I got to finish photos on this thing, but I'll give you a sneak peek of what's coming.